Cruiserweight Champion of YouTube, Jay Nitro!
Yo, we got fireworks like crazy. Look at this. There's 17 of these in there. Three-minute firework barrel. Look at that. That's crazy. Amazing ballet. We don't really, I don't care for that. Crime scene. Beautiful. Unrivaled. 2-minute extravaganza. Another beautiful. What is this? Hit the Road. Blonde joke. We got 2 blonde jokes. We got the Kodo collection. What is this over here? Jackpot has 60-gram maximum loaded shells. There's 7-inch shells. The 7-inch canisters, I think. There are 24 neon canisters in here, bro. And then we got noisemakers, the skull. This is Tiger Dancing. And these are, I forgot what those are called, but we got those too. I think we got some little ones around here. I don't think we do. I thought we did. But, no, we do. Where they at? It's over there. I don't know if y'all can even see it over there. It's like over there somewhere. I'm not sure. But yo, we gotta go crazy. I might do a firework live stream. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Cause this is ridiculous. Holy crap.